What if you could use AI to build a side hustle that makes more than your 9-to-5 job? 2025, people are turning simple AI tools into real businesses, and some are making thousands every single month. So today, I will show you 7 AI-powered side hustles that anyone can start, with low costs and big potential. Let's dive in. Side hustle number 7, AI content creation services. Companies are constantly looking for blog posts, product descriptions, and social media captions. But here's the secret. They don't care if you write them yourself. They just want high-quality content that's fast and affordable. That's where AI tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, and Copy.ai come in. With a little editing and human touch, you can deliver polished content in a fraction of the time. You can start small, offering blog posts for local businesses, LinkedIn posts for coaches, or even SEO-friendly articles for websites. Charge per project or bundle packages for recurring income. But here's the catch. You can't just copy-paste raw AI text. Clients want content that sounds natural, helpful, and original. So think of AI as your assistant, not a replacement. This side hustle works great because once you build a client base, it can grow into a full agency. Side hustle number 6. AI-powered YouTube automation channels. You do not need to show your face or use your own voice. AI tools can handle everything from writing scripts, generating voiceovers, to editing stock footage. For example, tools like Pictory, 11 Labs, and Runway let you create faceless videos in hours instead of days. You pick a niche like finance, productivity, or travel, and upload consistent videos. Once you hit YouTube's monetization requirements, ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate links start rolling in. But here's the exciting part. One viral video could bring in income for months. And if you keep uploading, the library of videos keeps paying you even while you sleep. It takes effort in the beginning, but the long-term payoff is huge. Side hustle number 5. AI graphic design and branding. Not a designer? Doesn't matter. AI tools like Canva, Midjourney, and Leonardo AI make it possible to create logos, social media graphics, and even product packaging without advanced skills. Small businesses and startups need affordable design, and you can provide it. You could sell logo packages on Fiverr, Etsy, or directly to business owners. You could even create entire brand kits with color palettes, templates, and social posts. Here's a quick example. Imagine you offer a $100 branding kit. Just 5 clients a month brings in $500, scale to 20 clients, and you're replacing a full-time salary. But here's the catch. AI designs are only the starting point. The real value comes when you personalize, refine, and package them professionally. Side hustle number 4. AI social media management. Running social media accounts is time-consuming. But with AI, you can automate much of it. Tools like Buffer, Hootsuite, and ChatGPT can plan posts, write captions, and even suggest the best times to publish. AI image generators can also create unique visuals tailored for each platform. You could offer this as a service for small businesses, real estate agents, or local shops. Many owners do not have time to post daily, but they are happy to pay someone who does. The pro recurring income. Social media management usually comes as a monthly package. That means steady, predictable cash flow. The con, you will need to stay on top of trends. AI will not catch every viral moment. Still, this side hustle can easily scale into an agency. Side hustle number 3. AI-powered online courses. People are hungry to learn new skills. And online courses are still one of the fastest-growing industries. Here's where AI helps. You can use tools like ChatGPT to outline lessons, Synthesia to generate talking head videos, and Canva for slide designs. Basically, AI makes course creation faster and less overwhelming. What do you teach? Anything you're good at? Freelancing tips, fitness routines, digital marketing basics, or even how to use AI tools themselves. The best part? Once a course is made, you can sell it over and over again. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or Gumroad handle the hosting and payments. But here's the catch. Courses only sell if people trust you. So building some credibility even through free content like blogs or social posts will help. This side hustle combines your expertise with AI efficiency, creating a long-term income stream. Side hustle number 2, AI-powered print on demand. Stores think t-shirts, mugs, or wall art, but with designs created by AI. Instead of hiring designers, you can use Midjourney, DALL-E, or Canva to generate unique artwork. Upload the designs to platforms like Printful, Redbubble, or Teespring.
Wow.
They handle printing, shipping, and customer service. You only focus on creating designs and marketing. Here's the fun part. Niche products sell best. Funny nurse t-shirts, dog lover mugs, or motivational gym posters can go viral with the right design. The pro, low startup costs. You don't buy inventory up front. The con? Profit margins are smaller, usually $5, $15 per item, so volume is key. Still, with the right viral product, this can snowball fast. Side hustle number 1, AI freelancing services. And finally, the number 1 AI side hustle, freelancing with AI as your secret weapon. Here's the truth. Businesses still pay big money for services like copywriting, video editing, marketing, and coding. But with AI, you can do the same work in a fraction of the time. For example, use ChatGPT for copywriting, use Runway or Descript for video editing, use GitHub Copilot for coding assistance. You can list services on Upwork, Fiverr, or LinkedIn and deliver faster than your competitors. Here's the kicker. Right. Clients don't care if you used AI. They care that you solve their problem quickly and at a good price. That's why this side hustle is so powerful. It's flexible, profitable, and you can scale by taking on more clients or even building an agency. So those are 7 AI side hustles in 2025 that can realistically replace a 9-to-5 job. They're flexible, low cost to start, and packed with growth potential. Which one would you try first? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more smart money tips.